Hello everyone, welcome to today's stream in New York Open New York session. My name is Eivindfx, Forex trader, and now also called the Scammer by Pikachu. Other than that, hopefully we're going to go through some markets, we're going to go through some trade setups, we're going to hang out, and I am going to give you a summary at the end of the stream so that you don't need to watch through the whole thing. So probably the last 1 minute of this stream is going to be a summary. So make sure you're there. But always, if you are needing to get what do you call it? If you need to get funded, you have strategy on point, everything is on point. Please go and use the link in the description. And
this video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Other than that, I think the past 24 hours has been interesting. I have been looking through what should we really be doing on this stream. How do we do these streams? How can we improve them? And how can we make it better value for you guys? All right. So right now we have euro dollar around in the sell zone. I want it to be this week. So fair enough. I think that should be 1%, and stop loss shouldn't be there, and then it should be like 50 pips, I guess. That is 109.90. Nah, that's a bit too close. 75, fair enough. Take profit, 107. Fair enough. Good enough for me. So we shall see them. We shall see how things is going to go today. Now the other thing here is, people, what do we do with the drunken sailor? What do we do with the drunken sailor? That's kind of one thing here, and the other thing is, I just need to double check that that I can't talk about it. So I'm going to double check it. Oh, you guys are supposed to have music now. Sorry, people. Sorry. There we go. Boom. Tell me if you can hear it. That's all. Okay, cool. That's fair enough. All right. Yeah, so I still can't talk about the partnership. Anyways, whatever. Anyways, we'll talk about a different day then. Do you have a volume indicator? Says VNode. So I can talk about that for a couple of 2 seconds. The reason why I do not have such an indicator, VNode, is that there is, I think it's like 7 major liquidity provider. So the Forex market is too decentralized, decentralized compared to stock market. So stock market has like one, that's like Nasdaq, that's like Nasdaq, and it's that. There's no other place to do trading other through those exchanges. For the Forex market, there's many liquidity providers. I think there's 7 major ones. So even if you say that you have liquidity provider, coming in and saying, saying that you are they have this and this volume. This is where things is gonna go. It's not really, it's not really where you want it to go. Sorry, my bad. It's not really what you want to see, because you want to have all the volumes in the entire market, and as far as I know, there isn't. But that's kind of why I don't use it. The other one is there's different volume indicators or indication of volume, momentum indicators. The thing is, for me, Mr. Vinod, is that I can only talk about what I have profitability on. So I haven't used volume indicators that is profitable. Okay, is that okay answer? I think it's a straightforward answer and stuff like that. So that's one side of it. I just sold the euro. More than anything else. Weekly sell zone. I saw that I posted earlier today the ECB saying that there might be a rate increase in July. Euro dollar rose, but it didn't. It just doesn't really seem like the market really cares. And if the market does care, then sure. So I think that it's an interesting development. It does. The volume and the momentum in the candle isn't where I would like it to be if it's supposed to be like a game-changing piece of information. So I first got a bit scared. Of course, went up to where I wanted it to go, and then I sold it instead. Shudan took a sell on euro weekly M3. Hi Evan, how's it going? Well, it's been a difficult 24 hours, I must say. It's not easy, but there we are. The other trade that I took today, just to test it out, basically, was S&P 500. Fair enough, whatever. I don't care. So, is this a part of my strategy? Nope. I'm supposed to be a buyer. What am I supposed to be buying? So I will buy as well, don't worry. I'll buy as well. Down here. Just trying to figure out with this broker thing with TradingView though. But yes, fair enough. So another one that I will put down there is probably, but okay, it's fair enough. We already have the order in. And fair enough. So okay, those are the two things that is currently happening on my broker. No, sorry, on my TradingView. You know, fun jokes. So let's go through the market. Let's go through what I've been doing today. The last 24 hours, I have been going through my optimal trading on my mentorship course. Going through Aussie yen, sorry. And where do I find it optimal to be a buyer? And you have got an entry here, you may have gotten an entry here. And where you're supposed to be buying. And even though I do say it here, even though if you breach above central pivot, you still wait again, because next week can give you another entry, okay? So don't be aggressively, well, it's going higher and we can buy it here. Yes, acknowledge that's a day trade, but also acknowledge that this also can happen, just to make sure that you don't, you don't take too uncritical, too bad decisions when you're talking about Aussie yen at the moment, and we are extremely high. And what if it comes falling down? Not what if, but what if it comes falling down? You want it to come down. So that's another thing here, right? But also, I don't know who said it, but it also hit me a bit. Somebody said, I think it was Thursday last week, it was towards the end, I can't remember. It was probably some like one of them on the in the country America that said, "Ivan, you look sad." And I've been thinking about that lately, and maybe I am. Maybe I'm not happy. Maybe maybe this is not what I'm supposed to do. Maybe this isn't for me. I don't know. We shall see. So it's kind of like it's a process to go through, you know, because life is basically more simple to just be by yourself, you know. You're just trading by your own. Nobody else is coming after you. You have nothing to prove. You have no other meetings to attend than your own trading, and you can trade whenever you want and whatever you do, and all that type of things. So, you know, fun jokes. Maybe take a break and look at the trees. Yeah. And the only problem with that, bro, is is you guys. I don't want to let you guys down. I don't want to let you guys down. Right? So I'll do my best. We're gonna have some jokes. What was this guy called? I want to give some happiness. What was this guy called? Was it called Eddie? Was it Eddie? Okay. Eddie has an email. He sent me his email. Okay. I don't know if this is ever going to work, but I'm just going to try and see if this is working. And I probably. Oh. Okay, it worked. Okay, cool. What was the deal, mate? Was it half? What was the deal, mate? Was it half you wanted? Because I remember you saying it in Telegram one day. You said what, mate? You said half. You wanted half, bro. Okay. Bro wanted half. Fair enough. Let's see. Is it possible to do it? Some dollar. That was the wrong one, actually. Okay, not really that one. Okay, cool. So, go to page. Am I supposed to go? How do I do that? How do I send? How do we send? Can you send me a PayMail me thing? How does that work? Okay, cool. Hi, Sheldon. We have a meeting today. You changed your meeting time today? Okay, fair enough. And then music just died. Fair enough. That's always fun. But I can. It was 25, I think. Where? Today. Okay, I'll just do it later on. Can't do it right now. I tried. Why is it so difficult? Ay. I was just wondering why I can't. Okay. Nips. Betalt for betalt. Okay. And then you go to where? Send. Is there a thing called send somewhere here? There we are. Can you double check it, me? Can you double check? I think I saw Eddie earlier today, but yeah. I saw it, yeah, beginning here. Eddie was here. Fair enough. First heal yourself, then others. A quote that goes through my life for a long time. You have every right to take your time, relax, take care of yourself if you're not feeling 100%. Hello, Evan. Why are you doing this paper trading? Because, I don't know, I haven't found a broker that I want to use on the trading view yet. Doesn't matter. Good evening. I'm only here for the human Pikachu. Oh, Pikachu doesn't show up today as well. But yeah, fair enough. Doesn't matter to me. Because I still have the same trades on my backend anyways on the other broker that doesn't go with trading view. So doesn't matter, lol. Is it important for you? Should I find a broker that I don't trust yet to see if I can use them on trading view? Is that important for you? Fair enough. Okay. Can find it. See if we can find one. Yeah. Where is that Eddie guy? Let's see if I can find him right now. Oh, okay. Okay, I can do, well, it's been there the whole week, but okay, I can do that. That's okay. So the analysis behind the trade is, first of all, second of all, third of all of them all. Resistance. Basically, so far, downtrend. And I am bullish on dollar. I think dollar's going to strengthen. I think euro has more weakness to it because of Ukraine. And I generally believe that we should go down to 107.70 because that's the, I think, what the weekly trade, I think. Yeah, the weekly take profit at around 107. So it has come up to where I want to start trading. And fair enough. I think that's that. And then is there other reasons? There is the increase of interest in America. It's the continuation of the trend, technically. It's the deterioration and the still Ukrainian thing happening. We still have some challenges in China, which also do have trouble with, also gives trouble in Europe. So yeah, that's that trade, at least. Fair enough, good enough. And for the, yeah, I think that's kind of why. Yeah. The other thing that I use, what do you call it? I use limit orders when I trade. I don't look for like reversal. Well, I can look for reversal pattern. We already have the trend with us, so then I don't need reversal pattern to do the downside. Yeah, I think that's fair enough. It's pretty standard operating procedure. If I lose a percentage. So I think that is good enough risk management. It's above the previous high, and yeah. Okay, fair enough. The other thing that was really interesting yesterday was it Netflix that fell like a ton of bricks yesterday because they are going to, or they are projecting to lose. What was it? Was it 2 million users or something like that? So that's definitely something that I am looking at. If you look at April as of its total thing, it has gone bearish, so not really anything bullish yet. So, but the earnings report yesterday, or the aftermath of the earnings report yesterday, wasn't really fantastic. But you know, hope for a brighter day, I guess, more than anything else. My entry on Euro is probably somewhere around 108.48. So the level of 108.50, basically. Sheldon. Sheldon 108.50 level. All right. I also added another trade on S&P 500. Just to show you guys, I guess, more than anything else. I don't like it. I shouldn't have done it. Should have waited, but you know, me and my patience. And the entry should more be like down here, but trying to do something new, and it's gonna be a live account anytime soon. Don't worry. But yeah, so that more than anything else. So I didn't like the lack of a higher high yesterday with Miro, and I discussed it with him yesterday, and I was like, why are we not making a high? But now we are close above yesterday's high, so that's okay. That's cool. Now I like that. That's kind of what I would like to see, and then we shall make it continue to go higher. Tonight we have a live for Fed speech. Not really. Well, it's not really. It's not FOMC today. It's just a speech, and I don't go live just because they have a speech. So yeah, not really. It's not that really terrible. I'm still waiting for higher low though, so really don't want to lose this one. Yeah. The thing is with S&P 500 is that it's kind of a rangy, but it's trying to go higher. So I'm all for proven. Proof. Are we going higher? Prove to me that they're gonna go higher. I'm not guessing on it. And if this one falls now, I don't lose much anyways. S&P still waiting for the entry 44.30. But it seems to have taken off already. Yeah, that's the thing, bro. It still isn't perfect. And 44.30 is a very aggressive entry, so I don't really have too much trouble with it. The only trouble I have with it is that if we go down to 44.30 and then back up again. But right now it looks very gloom. Okay, lol. Hi. How's it going, mate? Oh, lol. I'm not. I'm not taking you for a troll. Doesn't matter. But yeah. If I trade with personal capital or funding capital, I have not been funded. So I guess that explains it more than anything else, maybe, probably. Yeah. But yeah, it's how I try to make a living in life. That's how I try to make a living in life. Try is an understatement, I guess, but yeah, it's a funny way to say it. So if other people wants to get funded, well, maybe I should do a funding challenge actually. When I'm thinking about it, when I have come back to my senses, and the thing is about funding challenge is, for me though, it's all great, it's all good. There's no worries. The only issue that I have with funding challenges is that they're time limited and you are at the mercy of the market. So if you end up in a range, or you end up in a trend against you, and you know it's really, you need a bit of luck. But I'll try it once. I'm definitely for it. I just need to probably not stream and not do a lot of other things that I do, and just do that. And I think I'll pass. How many times will it take me? Well, that's the fun part. So, as the sponsor of this video, Trader Central, maybe I should take it up on the offer. Break Your Limits is on an FTMO challenge at the moment. Yeah, and Miro, you're on Trader Central, I think it is, as far as I remember. But yeah, you know, it's all fun and games, right? But so far so good, not too bad. Yeah, that's what I thought. Hello, Tito, how are you? So Lol says, I thank you very much. I'm considering taking a funding challenge once I see a bit of more consistency. I just want to see how it goes and stuff. Yeah. I don't know who else has done a funding challenge though. It's probably fun content more than anything else. But yeah, the daily. Yeah, I remember. Yeah, Ryan did that actually. Ryan in RTFX, Forex on YouTube. He did that. Grow small accounts. Thank you for weekly pivots video. CC short is playing out perfectly. Congratulations, mate. If we are looking at the stock market, just for the fun of it at the moment, is that I'm definitely not at all buyer in the buy zone. And we have to do that for me to even considering anything more new on a weekly basis. So, I don't know, what news do we need today? Some positive news that everything is going great, everything is going to be fine, and all that. European market wrap, US index were steady, reversing earlier losses as a rally in treasury signal a calming of nerves about inflation. Fed hikes, bets, dollar dropped most this month. Okay. Contracts on Nasdaq 100 and S&P 500 gauging were little changed after earlier falling 1.2% and 0.6 respectively. 10-year T-note shed 7 basis points as money managers from Bank of America to Noruma Asset Management indicated the panic over inflation has gone too far. The Japanese yen rebounded a 13-day slump and gold extending decline, then flicked up 26% in New York pre-market trading after reporting a drop in subscriber base, mentioned. The 10-year yield has turned positive for the first time since 2020. Kremlin says the ball in Ukraine court regarding peace talks after the Russian side passed the document to them. The peace talks leave much to be desired. ECB says that there might be a possible rate increase by July. Germany will supply Ukraine with rockets and artillery training. That's a nice wrap, actually, by the way, people. So, finally, Eddie. Jesus, help me. Oh, lordy. You are a difficult man to get a hold of. I got a Discord message saying, boom. Thank you very much. I very much appreciate it. You have increased my trading account greatly. Now, use that, bro, for something. Use that for something great, bro. Use that for something great. I want 100% return on that in a year. Break your limit says tip. If you're taking a challenge, please check if your chosen funding firm calculates daily drawdown using equity or balance. Because unrealized profits can also count as drawdown. That is... Okay, yeah. Is that normal? That's pretty normal, actually. But yeah. So, you should not risk more than 1%, generally, then. If you're, let's say, 5% is your limit. You shouldn't lose more than 1, like have a float of -1. So you always secure into what you're doing. Right? But yeah. So Eddie, I expect you to be a long-time subscriber then. That you always talk positively about me, and that you are here every day, every time, learning something new, so that you can get some returns on your cash. Nasdaq 200. Ooh, look at that. That's amazing. Well, it hasn't made a high yet. But look at that. Look at that. Look at that. 14,000. Support. I love it. Ooh, yeah. That's number 1. That's number 2. So I'm waiting for number 2. What is number 2? That is number 1 pullback. That is number 2 pullback. That is not number 1 pullback because it didn't make a higher high at that point. It's just that's part of the reversal more than anything else. So we shall see. We shall see how things is going, right? Eddie says, thank you. Appreciate it. You never disappoint. Appreciate greatly. Ashley Moquette has joined the building. How are you, mate? How are ya? You alright? How's it doing there, mate? You haven't seen any alligators lately, mate? Any alligator? I know you're not Australia, but it's always fun. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that. Finally, USSR has done something positive for a reason. For exchange. So, what do? Support. That's when you want to buy. Oops, it I see. And then you see it to go higher. And then a continuation higher. Why is the music so div? Why is the music not? Why are you not connected to my phone today? Luis! How are you, mate? Alright, mate. Loving every moment, Kirkland. But yeah, Louise, how are you, mate? How are you? Yeah, I will be there. I'll get there. How's it going? How is Canada? It's getting over to spring now, I guess. Probably cold still, but you know, it's going to spring soon. So uses our highest trend bullish, woo! Then you can look for either that or that, and as a demo trader, and as my face looks like a demo trader, I won't take this trade. Oh yeah. We had a discussion earlier today on VIP. Did I actually upload that? I didn't. I'll have to do that then. Okay, I'll just do that now then. Before Nick is screaming in my ears. Evan, why don't you do your job? I don't know, bro. You tell me. Why I don't do my job? So, but yeah. Yeah, it is. Yeah, we're doing nice. We're doing well. She's working up and down and supporting me and saying that I should not have. Well, according to yesterday it's not up there anymore. But what happened yesterday, Louise? I don't know if you saw it, but a guy came in, Pikachu came in and said I looked like a demo trader, and then he also said I was too scared to show my real account, and showed me his real account, and said I was too scared to show my losses, not my trade, because it was too much losses. I have losses. And he also said that I was a scammer. So she said that I shouldn't have reacted to that. Should just have been quiet. But you can't see it anymore because I hid him from the channel, so can't see it anymore. But so I tried to go back and watch it, but you can only see me reacting to it. So no, it's been, well, I don't know why I have some emotional reaction to it. I don't like. I want to have integrity, right? I want to bring people joy, humor, laughter, knowledge, and if that is scamming, then I'll probably just give up on YouTube. Then I apologize and I will go back to my hole. So yeah, that's kind of things. But Ian Button, what did she say? She said that you like Ian. Is he a good guy? I was like, yeah, he's a YouTube member. Then everyone's a good guy. He's a YouTube member. I'll kick them out if they're not. But so yeah, she acknowledged you, Ian. CAD CPI, we can do that. That's in 45 minutes. That's not yet, but yeah. Did you enter Aussie Cellmate? No, I didn't. I don't like it. Well, yeah, maybe. Should we take it? Should we sell Aussie dollar? Aussie yen, sorry? Bearish. Yeah, so the reason why I don't like it, it's my trade plan, for crying out loud. But also, I'm conflicted because of this. Take profit early in the week. And we don't seem to be giving any kind of reversal either. We don't have any reversal here. Like, it's just higher. And we discussed it early in VIP group this morning, where somebody sold it way too early. And I think I said somewhere in the eyes of, wait for a reversal, lower, 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 high. and then I can take it. But yeah. That's great, Ian. That's great. Mr. Bottom. Mr. Winterbottom. Or I can just call you Mr. Summerbottom, probably, because you're in Australia. Because there's never winter in Australia, is it? Waiting for Pikachu to enter Eivindfx live, creating another Gmail account. The thing is, I don't know, maybe I should do it myself, creating my own troll account to troll back. The thing is, if he had his own live stream, that would probably be more fun to go over there and see how that goes. But no, I will never do that anyways. I'm all for peace, love, and unity, and you won't find me raiding, and people get banned for that. So you will never find me raiding anyone. Only positive raid. Only positive raids. I remember you are appreciated by 99% of us. Some people just can't. Thank you, Ian. Thank you. Well, being called a scammer is kind of defamation. So it goes. I don't know. We'll just leave it, people. We'll just leave it. I will cry alone tonight, anyways. Don't worry. Thank you very much, Princely, for your comment yesterday. Princely went to my thing yesterday. Let's see if we can find your comment, Princely. Here. So, I wish I was able to attend every live. You have changed my trading. Miro says he's greatly depending on my strategy to pass the Trader Central challenge. The funding challenge. Who else is that guy? Jack also. Well, not Jack. Yeah, Jack as well probably. But what is this guy called? The guy from Taiwan. Aga. Also greatly, and also what is that guy called? Ze. Greatly depend on my strategy, and they found profitability in it. And to me, it's like, well, you know, what else should I do? People are finding it profitable. It's going great, but yeah. Sheldon is one of my mentorship students, and I believe that me and Sheldon, well, no, only me and Sheldon only, but you know. Another thing for me and Sheldon, since you're here, Sheldon, I see the positive impact in that I do, and I don't give signals, but I help you with psychology. I help you guys going in the right direction for you, but you have to take the faith. You have to take the steps yourself. But yeah. Two seconds, people. I need to be measured. Okay, that was weird. Okay, hi people. She came in and measured my desk. Like, Ivan, can take off your camera. I'm like, what? Don't show me. Don't show me. Okay. That's a bit wholesome. That's funny. That's funny. Not everyone wants to be on camera, and not everyone has done makeup today, so I respect that. If you don't have haters, you don't do anything right. Sheldon says haters let you know that you're going the right direction. Thank you. Princess says you're a legend. I would actually. You know what? You know what I'm gonna do, people? I'm just gonna screenshot this thing, this chat right now, and I'm just gonna put it into success, and I'm gonna put it to everyone. I think that's success. I think that's a great success. Heroes always will have anything to say no matter what, so let's just fold it to death ear. I try to use only pivot points for my last challenge in deck 2021. Sharing knowledge is better than giving signals. Mokete, if you want to see her, I can't make you do it. But if you go and search for Eivindfx, and you look at this video here, there you can see her. Mokete, there you can see her. Yeah, this is from, we got married 5th of January 2019. So yeah, I'm not gonna play it because I will be copyrighted, so you can watch it yourself. So far in profits on the euro, can't complain, I guess. So far in profits on S&P, can't complain so far. Aussie, yeah, I need to do the reversal thing, and then who was that? New Zealand. Euro New Zealand. How's that going? Nobody asked for Euro New Zealand. Somebody passed pound yen earlier. I will do that next. Sorry. Okay, so we are bullish. We're going higher. Okay. Yeah. What is this market? High. Maybe bearish? Maybe it's bearish. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Lovely Mokete. Lovely. Yes, she is Kenyan. Shocker. And at some point, we're probably gonna have chocolate babies anyways, or Oreo babies, as they. Well, the funny part is, my best man, he had a wedding, so they said in his own speech to the bride, he mentioned me, and he said he is looking forward to our Oreo babies. So yeah, there is no there's no racism. It's only jokes. Okay, it's all fun and games. York has a beautiful downtrend in Calamity. We can look at that. Hi Evan. Sorry, thanks Evan. Sorry, I was going to ask about GG. Yeah, we'll ask about GG. Break limits, as Evan said earlier, you really are at the market's mercy. With the challenge, FTMO does have a 14 days extension though, so pick your odds in passing. Yeah. Also, if you get like a trend or a market that is just well, July. Don't do challenges in July, and don't do it probably end of December either. Beginning of January, yes, but end of December, it tends to slow down volume. August, yeah, it picks up in the end. It picks up in the end. Yeah. Also, there's no problem. Break your limits. There's no issues. I'm even promoting or talking about it because I support it. That's that. a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one, Mister. Sheldon says, "Lol, be aware of Oreos twins, or double coated maybe. It's a twin season. Remember? Yes, I do remember that. Because why is July slow? Because 15th of June is the last Fed meeting of the season, and July people are going to going to a holiday. It's America, Europe. I don't know if Europe does it. Norway especially goes for holiday in July, and market just tends to die out. Can we check that anyways? Let's go to Euro. Let's go to July. July. Well, let's see July. Okay, so that's August. That's July. So July here has what? How many pips? July does trend though. So from beginning to end, it went 12 pips. The max drop or slop is 128. Is that a good month? 120 pips. And most of it is just in a range here. So it's a range trading month. Okay, cool. Wow, yeah. So if I recall well, on that year later you come to RSI, right? And maybe I will come to South Africa. Maybe, who knows? And I will leave Sheldon to give birth to his own baby. I'm not gonna take away that smile there. He's gonna be a wonderful father. Just don't do any. Okay, and then this one has a bit of a range, but it eventually went pretty well. I would call that the exception, probably, that we had that release, and that was also because of the Fed saying that we're not gonna raise anymore. We're gonna not lower any more interest rates. This July here has a range of 100 pips for generally most of the month, and then it drops to 200. So 100 pips range for most of the month isn't like 2 weeks. Isn't like a good 2 week, is it? So yeah, that's that. And by the way, that knowledge is public knowledge kind of thing. You just go through the charts. Is it high volume in February? Let's see. February went 300 pips. I will take that instead. How was April? April has been, 300 pips. I think that's better than 100 and whatever, 120 pips. So, yeah. Fair enough. GJ. We're supposed to do GJ. There we are, GJ. Oi. That was a big sneeze. Yeah. Checking S&P. Ooh, bam! Look at that, bros. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Pound yen, as maybe not as mentioned earlier, but as mentioned earlier, we are very high. Any fall can be to anywhere. The catching the bottom is like catching a falling knife. It's very difficult, but sure, it still can be a buy if you consider that that is not been hit. We have hit target for the week. We are close to the monthly target, so I'm not saying this is the peak per se, but I'm saying, what if it comes down to M3 165 instead, and then going up to 169? It's probably better. Probably better. That's probably. There was too much L in there. Probably higher. That's probably a better place to start going higher from. So we shall see. So right now, buyers profit Sellers, not yet. Maybe like that. $15 likes today, people. Wow, you guys are fantastic. I'm supposed to stop at mentioning that though. Sorry. So GJ is not really tempting me too much, to be honest. Not really tempting me. But yeah, go a bit lower before we go back up again. Healthy pullback is always nice. What are you saying, mate? US 500, please drop for me. Okay. You want some money? You want $200? That's a good. That's a small, nice little rise there. We have a higher high now, people. Boom! Finally. Not that that's the end. Not that that's the fantastic thing in the world, but it's definitely thing to the upside. So it's called done. Calvin, we're going to talk about SIP right now. Can you hold your gold question for like 1 second? But yeah, as we stand right now. As we stand right now, okay? As we stand right now, that's what I hope for today and tomorrow. So I hope for as high as we can get on S&P today, up to like 45.10, and then back down to 44.70. That's kind of like, that's what I want to see. All right, Calvin. You know me. People ask about gold every single day. Like it's like did somebody? I don't know. I'm not complaining. It's a good problem to have. It's a nice problem to have. Why is Yen's gaining strength? I don't know. It's humongously strong. It has hit some targets, probably. Yeah. So S&P buying at 44.70 at the moment, and we are at 44.80. So yeah, let's see how these things work. Does this thing work? Let's see. Buy limit 44.70. Stop loss 1%. Nay. I think I bought it. How do you change it? Okay, orders then. Sell stop loss. There's a stop loss there. Is that how you do it? Modify order. Take profit. 48.50 I think it's called. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. What is Mira saying now? I only want to see those tasty high rise on US 500. No gold interest for me anymore. Been blowing accounts faster than I can make them. Break your limits. I haven't found a account that okay, bye bye. Actually, I need some sugar. Sorry, I will go and ask. The thing is, bro, I literally did it today. Okay? I don't have an account with any of these things called account. What do you call it? Them brokers. I will do it tomorrow. Okay? I will do it tomorrow. Break a leg. And yes, I have nothing to hide, by the way, if you're wondering. Okay? Fair enough. Nothing to hide. I'm hungry. What do you mean, Miro? What do you mean? I think 150? Okay. Only camera. Okay? Now you're triggering me. This is a normal chair. It goes there to me. The room is 3 meters tall. Okay? See? Tall. Tall. Why am I getting... Why? Something in my ear. Why are you guys trolling me? What else? What else is tall that I can do? This stick is 150 centimeter. I'm getting roasted. For what? Now, people, I'm triggered. Okay? Stick. is 120. Okay? This stick is up to here, right? Okay? $174. Okay, I will do it again. So you can see my feet. Right? You can see my feet on the ground. Yeah, it's 5'7". For those Americans out there, yes, it is 5'7". I didn't know, but apparently it's 5'7". Is this content for you now? Is this JT? They called me short. They called me Mr. Bean of Norway. Go up in the chat. Let's look what chat did to me, JT. Who said that? Are you 150 centimeter tall? At the end of the room, you look like Oompa Loompa. And then Calvin starts talking about, you know, market. And then Calvin's asking, is it chocolate? Can I have one? Yes, you can. And then people just roasting me. Is that a normal chair? 180? Your ceiling then has to be so high then. Yes, it is so high then. Even with a stick reminded me of the Maasai. You should have jumped. Yeah, I will jump next time. According to my calculation, this side is true. Ivan has a resistance level of 150. Yeah. Content for you guys, whatever you guys want. Fair enough. Have a laugh. Hopefully made you laugh. You're not tall and you're not short. You're just average. No, I'm not average. Average. What is the average height in America? That's average height in USA. For men, for women, for men it's 175. Okay, I'm average. Fine, a bit below average. In Kenya I am average. No, I'm not average. Yes, I'm average. No, I'm above average. This is 169. I'm not 169. I'm 174. And then South Africa. Just gonna do that. I'm above average in South Africa as well. If I take Norway, I know I will be roasted. I will be the shortest man in Norway if I do Norway. I think it's like 180 something. Is it 172? No, it's higher than that. Okay. What do you call it? Gjennomsnittlig høyde men Norge. That's Norwegian, by the way. 181 for Norway. 181 and I am 174. So yeah. And banana tall. Yeah, we are short in Norway. Facilities Key says I'm 5'6", but I'm a woman. In the Philippines, average height is 5'3", I guess. Okay, Philippines. Let's see. I can't. How do you spell Philippines? Yeah, okay, help me out. Anyways, 5 feet. So that's really small. So I'm taller. The thing is, I went to a church one day, and I was standing. I guess we're standing to whatever we're doing, prayer or whatever, and I could look above everyone. I never do that in Norway. In Norway, I cannot see the pastor. I can't see the podium. I can't see things. If there's screens up there, I can see something. But if you ask the congregation to stand in Norway, I can't see anything. I will just use my ears. I'll be like a blind person. I'll use my ears to hear what to do and what to say. Mira, JT says, what type of bananas? They're all different sizes. And statistically, I'm short. No, yes, I am. I am. You guys are just roasting me today. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Some of you guys take photos of me and send them to me. Thank you very much for taking photo of me. Thank you. You guys are so kind. Look at that. Sorry, that way. No, that way. That way. There. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. Even looks like I have a big tummy. I need more chocolate. Everything changed when I went for chocolates. I don't know what I did to you guys. It's Twix, by the way. Now I eat like a man. Twix, sponsor me. Size doesn't matter, they say. No. Oh, I'm crying. I would ask my wife about my doo-doo if she says that if size matters or not. And if she says it doesn't matter, yeah, it's true. It's true. I keep reading your comments, Manny. Size doesn't matter, they say. I'm crying. 5'7" horizontal. Yeah, maybe we should do like jumping jacks and insanity and Roomba, whatever, Zumba, whatever you call it now, back then and nowadays. That baby. It looks like I'm about to break the floor. That photo makes it look like an Oompa Loompa. What is Oompa Loompa? I know what Oompa Loompa is, but is it really what I think it is? Oompa... Ian! Really? Yeah. What's this about? I look like a dwarf? Willy Winks! Come on, mate. Come on. That's me. That's what I look like in me. Factory slaves. That's from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Willy Wonka. Willy Wonka, I can agree. I can live with Willy Wonka. And it's played by Johnny Depp anyways. But doesn't it isn't Willy Wonka nice? Nice? I don't know. Good side? Positive? Is Willy Wonka a nice person? Even before we met Mr. Wonka, we learned that he's a good guy. Thank you. Grandpa Joe described it as being so nice that it portrays him as a victim of a terrible recipe-stealing heist. Once we get to know him, he snices in confirm. Aww, I can be Willy Wonka. You want some chocolate? You want some chocolate? You want some Twix, mate? You don't look like Oompa Loompa, just a photo. No, but they are short. And hey, boy, I can't do that. But yeah, they're short as Oompa Loompa, may be taller though. Oh, Ian, Oompa Loompa may be taller. That picture looks like a bears engulfing cattle. You guys are just. You. No. Wow. Okay. They're like 100 centimeters tall, Nero. The picture looks like a bearish engulfing candle. Yeah, thank you. You guys are so kind. You guys are so kind. It's almost like I want to be in a stream with you guys. At least I will be the tallest Oompa. Okay? I will be the tallest. It's just, you guys are just a savage. Like, you guys have. No! I don't look like a. Where is it? Where is it? I'm just gonna make sure. I don't look like a doji. Really? Is that a doji candle? You guys can make a G. You can make a meme out of it. Fair enough. Have jokes about it. Okay, here we are. Here is your jokes. Here it is. And then me. So I look like I'll now look like a, okay, fair enough. Just move it a bit. I now look like a doji candle. Poop Up says he can't make fun of my height because the same height as you. You want Pikachu back because... You guys want Pikachu back to be nice to him. Aww. Maybe I should go unban him then. Okay, we can go unban him then. What's a dragonfly candle? Dragonfly candle. Really? You guys are... I look like that? Where is my tummy? This one then? Like this is my waist and this is my head and this is my legs? You guys are so mean. Okay. I'm gonna eat the last piece of chocolate to cheer me up. You guys are savage piece of... Yeah. Harold didn't come yesterday to the Zoom meeting, so I didn't say my joke. But it's gonna be epic. Whenever I say it's gonna be epic, I don't think I will record it even. But it's out on YouTube, so I guess it works. I guess it's not that bad. I'm not working on canceling myself, but yeah. Yeah, I probably have 100 liters of coffee inside me. Okay, so what's the summary today, people? Today the summary is I have sold euro dollar at 108.48. I have bought S&P and I'm buying again at 44.70 tomorrow. Stop loss 43.50 down here. Aussie I did not take. I'm waiting for a reversal on the 15-minute time frame. Pound yen. Maybe. New Zealand dollar. Didn't sell it. It's way above everything. What else? Yen pairs, gold. Gold went off the cliff. Take profit off the cliff. And is currently bearish. Nat gas, maybe do a turnaround higher. Oil. We need to have a higher low situation. We don't have that at the moment. USDs are looking for pullbacks to buy it again. As we see there, 1500. USD NOK range, nothing happens. US 30, wait for a new higher high. There we go. Waiting for a new high tomorrow. Buying 35,000, 34,960-ish area. Everything will be confirmed in tomorrow's, this evening's daily setups, and as well, 120 has been hit. The buys to the moon has started. Okay, have a good day. See you soon. Love your family. Boom. And I will talk to you. Cat is a definite buy. Cat is a definite buy. Okay, take care.